How to use Clapper app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how to use Clapper app. Now, Clapper is a social media platform for creators aged 17 and above. It was built to empower creators to share authentic content about their passions and interests. Now, the first thing you want to do is download and install the Clapper app on your device. To do so, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store. Now, tap on the search bar and here you want to search for Clapper. Then tap on the install option. Once it has been installed, launch open the Clapper app. Now, you first of all want to log into your account. So for that, go ahead and tap on the profile icon. Now tap on sign up if you are new to this. Now you can sign up using your phone number, Facebook account or Google account. If you already have an account, tap on the sign in option. Now you can sign into your account using phone or email address or using your Facebook and Google account. Now, the main feature of Clapper is live streams. Creator can go live from the first day on the app. For that, you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen and select the option of go live. Another feature is short form video. Clapper has built-in editing tools, an original music library, and an equal opportunity algorithm, so you can create the content of short-form videos and upload it over here. Clapper also has the feature of group chats. You can create up to 10 group chats directly from the profile to connect with your communities in real time. You can keep them locked up for subscribers or allow anyone to join. There are also radios, profile tags, Clapper fam tiers, and Clapper shop, mini-series, and DM tipping. Additionally, you have access to all of these features from day one. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.